Good morning, students. Welcome back to Biology Classroom once again. Today I will discuss the exercise of second chapter. So look at the book. First, choose the correct option. There are four options, but I will say answer only. First one, the science of naming organism is called nomenclature. Next, the system of nomenclature evolved by Linnaeus is binomial. Bi means two because first one is the name of genus and second one is the name of species. Binomial nomenclature consists of two words, genus and species. Next, in binomial nomenclature, binomial name, which is written in capital, the first alphabet of generic name. Which of the following help bacteria in locomotion? Flagella. Next, the science of classification is called taxonomy. Amoeba belongs to kingdom Protista. In amoeba, respiration takes place through plasma membrane. Actually, amoeba respiration takes place basically cell membrane. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. So that's why answer will be plasma membrane. Next, the hyphae are collectively known as mycelium. Fill in the blanks. Both in animal and plant kingdoms, the lowest category in species and highest category is kingdom. Prokaryotic bacteria belongs to kingdom Monida. Dash helps the bacteria in locomotion. Answer will be flagella. Bacteria reproduce mainly by binary fission. Dash is a bacterium that helps in nitrogen fixation, that is rhizobia. The locomotion in amoeba takes place by pseudopodia. Some hyphae grow upwards and are called sporangiophores. In all plants, cell occurs double membrane covered cell organelles called plastid. Basically, in case of plant cell, plastid is only a cell organelle is normally covered by double membrane cell wall that is known as plastid. Next, true false. As we go upwards from the species towards the kingdom, the number of similar characters increases. Answer will be false. As we go upwards from species to kingdom, the similar characteristic normally decreases. Next, bacteria lack other membrane-bound organelles such as mitochondria and chloroplast. Answer will be true. The bacteria spores can withstand extreme conditions and germinate under favorable conditions and become active cells again. Answer will be true. Salmonella typhi causes tuberculosis. Answer will be false because it causes typhoid. Next, in amoeba, pseudopodia engulfs the food particles and form a vacuole in it. Answer will be true. Next, fungi are non-green unicellular plants. This portion is true, but unicellular fungi basically it may be unicellular or multicellular. That's why answer will be false. Rhizopas is a common bread mold. Answer will be true. Next, answer the following questions. Short question answer type. Which kingdom do bacteria belong to? That is Monida. Who gave the five kingdom system of classification? Scientist Whitaker. Who is known as the father of taxonomy? Carl Linnaeus or Carolus Linnaeus. Name the locomotory organ of amoeba, Pseudopodia. What is binary fission? Binary means bi means two. In this case of fission, division. First of all, nucleus is divided into two individual nucleus, and again two individual nucleus form two individual cell which are able to survive on cell. This process is also known as binary fission. What is phagocytosis? Normally it is a food obtaining process by amoeba. By which process normally amoeba collect their food. This process is also known as phagocytosis. Next, define sporangiophores. So what is sporangiophore? In case of fungi, normally their hyphae grow upwards and downwards. So which kind of hyphae grow upwards? These are known as sporangiophores. Answer is long. That's why it is not possible to write here. Next, where do molds usually grow? Normally, molds usually grow on the rotten food material. Again, why do we classify organism? In the earth, there are million kind of organisms, and it is not easy to study about them at a glance. That's why we have to classify the organism to discuss about their interrelationships, their similarities, their different characters, etc. Same way, it is not possible to write here. That's why I have told the answer. Name any two fungi. Aspergillus niger or niger. Next, Trichophyton. What type of nutrition is observed in plants? Basically, plants are able to produce their own foods. That's why they follow autotrophic nutrition. Define rhizoids. So in case of fungi, some hyphae go downwards as a root. These kind of hyphae are known as rhizoids. So students, it is not possible to discuss the long question answer on video. So please, you will try to write down the question answer. Have you any problem? Please comment on my channel. I will discuss particular question answer. So for today, up to this portion.